my potato gratin. I just opened a restaurant in New York City called Le Gratin. And Le Gratin is exactly what I'm going to show you. And it's exactly what I grew up. What I do is I have 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of cream, garlic clove, thyme infused here, and I infuse that for 20 minutes so I create my own half and half. And then I pour that over the potatoes
Nice.
and just make sure that we have enough to moist them well. And then I mix that well with, of course, a little bit of salt and pepper, and also some cheese. I put some Gruyere. Voila. And so I have some salt here, some pepper, and then we always put the little je ne sais quoi. You know what je ne sais quoi means?
Yes,
And that's,
I don't know what. It's the little bit of something.
voila. And that is the nutmeg that we grate over the potato.
Always,
And
always.
my,
Anything my family makes with cream or whole milk, we always put a little bit
yes,
of nutmeg. And that's the
yeah,
je ne
it's
sais
always,
quoi. Yeah.
and that goes into a gratin dish that I have buttered. And so the potato gets warm up a little bit in the milk and the cream. And then voila, we put all this inside here nicely. And the potatoes is cut a little bit less than a quarter of an inch, but a little bit more than an eighth of an inch, like this. I can add a little bit more milk to it, a little bit more cheese, and I'm gonna put that in the oven, of course. And here is my gratin dauphinois with the creamy potatoes inside.